Okay, what's up? I want to do a quick breakdown of Detroit style pizza and how it can teach you to be a better cook. So, here's your pizza. Okay, see that? Detroit style, thick crust under the lights in New York City. Good stuff happening. So let me just grab this slice here and I'll show you what we're working with. So this is what I'm talking about with what makes this special, okay, and why you should learn to cook from it. You've got umami in the tomato, you've got saltiness in the cheese, you've got a little sweetness in the tomato sauce as well, you've got crispiness in the crust, okay? And then you've also got a tiny little bit of bitterness with the fresh parsley on top. Okay, herbaceousness also works with bitter as well. So you've got all the 5 elements of food, right? And you've got a ton of fat because of the cheese, and that gives you good mouthfeel and distributes the flavor, okay? So when you cook your next dish, think, where can I get my umami? Where can I get my sweet, my salty? Where can I get a little bit of bitterness? And start thinking of things like pizza. All the answers are in this one piece of pizza. It also has a nice thick crust, which makes it very comforting and delicious. So I hope you learned something. Cheers.